Hello, I'm Chris. This road is steep, tight and windy. First gear is best here as it delivers slow speed but high power for this hill. I need to drive slowly and ready for other road users such as pedestrians in the road and oncoming vehicles. Of course, there's plenty of more open and wider roads that go uphill than this one, where you can accelerate and change gear. In this video, we're going to drive up and down some steep hills and have a look at which gear to choose and when to change gear. If you're driving uphill and change up a gear too early before building up speed, this happens. I'll change up to second. The car struggles and could even stall. What happens if I change up to third? It's really struggling now. I better change back down to second. Feels a bit better. I change down to first, and it feels like I've got much more power to accelerate. So when is the best time to change up a gear? Well, the low gears are best when driving up a steep hill. Before you change up a gear, make sure that you accelerate first, a bit more than you would on a flat road. Give the car more of a push, increase momentum, or otherwise as you go through the process of changing gear, the car will slow down quickly, meaning that you won't need that higher gear anymore and you'll have to change back down again to avoid stalling or a struggling car. I'm currently in second gear, careful of this oncoming van which is over the centre line. Now I can accelerate and up to third. Bend to the left ahead and the hill is getting steeper. Gravity will slow me down, no brake needed. Select second gear before the bend for better control. Tricky to see ahead. I'll keep at this speed in second. Can't see over the hill. Okay, see a bit further, but the road is still tight. And made it to the top of the hill. Well, it's time to drive back down the hill now, and if you are driving down a steep hill, then driving in a low gear will help keep the car slower than if you was in a higher gear. This increases the effect of what is known as engine braking. More information on this can be found in the description below, but the advantage of engine braking is that you'll have better control and you won't need to brake as much, which reduces the risk of brake fade, or in plain English, overheating the brakes. Remember that the steeper the hill, the lower the gear you'll need. I've just passed a sign warning me of a steep downhill. I'm prepared, in second gear, braking lightly. If I was in third, then I'd have to brake even more as the car would try and speed up. Not only is this hill steep, but the road is also quite narrow with oncoming vehicles. It would definitely be unsafe to drive any faster than this. The road will be a bit clearer ahead, and it will give me a great chance to show you what happens when I change up to third, just so you can see how quickly the car increases speed. I'm not going to use the foot brake or accelerator. The car speeds up so quickly down this steep hill, brake in and back down to second. Watch this video next to learn how to change gear quickly and smoothly. You'll find out how to have nice jerk-free gear changes. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe as it really helps us make more videos. In the meantime, keep safe on the road and bye for now.